It's of success. But to understand, just look at this one piece here. Okay, you see this lower piece. Okay, this lower piece here. So that piece, would go back to about 1609. Okay, which would put the pieces of wood on this monument at about 400 years. Now, why would wood last only 400 years in fact? So one is the sunlight, but the other is the rain, the moisture, the rain. And can you imagine at what latitude we are? Can you imagine we are the same latitude as Florida? Okay. So wood doesn't last very long. Whereas the bricks, they seem to last a long time. So you can have a monument which is 1100 years old, but with a piece of wood which is 400 years old. But look at the above, the half the piece. So that's only a year old. So this is what I'm saying about competitiveness. The board or the city that Kathmandu stays competitive by making this a living heritage. So it's something that we can do as an ongoing process. And it is that gives the city its characteristics. It's being able to do this. And look at this, so nicely color coded. Okay? You take another feature, look at this. Why don't you see any mortar on the bricks? So do you think these structures were built without any mortar? No. So what is the specialty of this? Well, look at the bricks. There's no mortar. The only thing very special about this is all the bricks are tapered. So the bricks are like that. So there is mortar, but you don't see it in the front. And that's a special feature of this town. Okay? So it is that authenticity, it is that uniqueness, but also the fact that we can do it today. That if this was to fall, we can do it today. Okay? Now, the word authenticity is very critical. Just to show you how much effort it goes, just look at in between the beams. Look at the different flowers in between the beams. Do you notice two flowers of the same shape? So just imagine how much effort goes into just documenting it so that we can keep it authentic. And why is it different? Because it is handmade. So anything made of hand, you can keep it very diverse. And so this is not again the made in China model. And if you are making it in China, then you will make 10,000 of the same piece. But if you are making it by hand, you can make every piece different from the other piece. Okay? Very important thing, but very subtle things. But just keep in mind, that as we walk, because that competitiveness gives us the other things that I will explain. Okay? But the first thing is, how does the city stay competitive? And so why is Delhi trying to host the Commonwealth Games? To stay competitive. And so every city tries to do that. And so for Bhaktapur, that is the competitiveness. Okay? So we'll go out, but I want to go